In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Typeform with your Webflow site. This simple step-by-step guide will enhance your website's functionality and improve user engagement by adding sleek, interactive forms. Let's dive right in. First off, we're going to start by heading to the Webflow app marketplace. For those who might not be familiar, the Webflow marketplace is your go-to place for discovering and installing apps that can expand the capabilities of your site. Here, we'll be adding the Typeform app, a fantastic tool for creating engaging forms. Once there, simply select the Typeform app and click to add it to your site. The great thing about this process is how intuitively Webflow and Typeform integrate, making your workflow remarkably smooth. After you've added the app, you'll need to authorize the connection to your Typeform account. This ensures that your Typeform data is securely synced with your Webflow project. Given the importance of data security, always double-check that you're connected to the correct Typeform account before proceeding. Now that we've got the app installed, let's move on to accessing it within the Webflow environment. In your Webflow designer, take a look on the left-hand side and find the Apps panel. Once you're there, locating the Typeform app should be straightforward. Just click Launch to get started. This will bring you right into the Typeform app interface, bridging the gap between Typeform's robust form-building tools and Webflow's design capabilities. At this stage, you've got some options to explore when it comes to forms. You can kick things off by creating a brand new form from scratch. Or, if you're in the mood for a bit of convenience, choose an existing form that's already saved in your Typeform workspace. This is particularly handy if you've already crafted forms that are tailored to your specific needs. Alternatively, if you have a form's URL which you'd like to use, you can simply embed that directly. Each of these choices offers flexibility depending on your project's requirements. Once you have your form picked out, it's time to embed it into your Webflow site. This is where the magic really happens. After choosing your form, add it to one of the pages within your Webflow project. Webflow and Typeform make this incredibly easy, as the form will be automatically published and embedded without you having to break a sweat. This kind of automation saves you a lot of time and effort, and ensures that your site is consistently up to date. Finally, let's talk about the ease of editing and syncing your forms. If you need to make any changes to your form designs or questions, you can do so directly within the Typeform app. What's truly impressive here is that any edits you make are automatically reflected on your website without any additional steps needed on your part. This seamless sync between Typeform and Webflow keeps your site dynamic and responsive to your evolving needs. By following these steps, you'll have successfully integrated Typeform into your Webflow site, creating a more interactive and engaging experience for your users. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.